Yeah, absolutely. I'm scared of Orbitron.
We're Team Witch Doctor, and we're here at BattleBots Pro League. We're going to take you behind the scenes so you can see what it takes to run a robot in the most destructive tournament in the world.
The drive on Witch Doctor is all new. It's got a faster startup. It'll spin tires right out of the gate, so it's looking like it's driving on ice a bit. And Orbitron is not the robot you want to do that against. They have magnets, they have counter-rotating discs. There's no gyro in that robot. It can turn on a dime. It's very fast, and it's not even controlled by a human. It's controlled by AI with a camera that can respond faster than we can.
So it's the worst possible opponent that we could have first, because they're going to potentially exploit that weakness where we have a driver who doesn't have enough practice with this robot.
It's very challenging doing what they're doing. They have to build a good BattleBot, but they also have to integrate the vision tracking and AI algorithms. So before any fight, we watch as many videos of other fights as we can to try to see what people prefer to do. But because Orbitron is AI, it always did kind of seem like it did something different. Which is very scary as a driver, because you don't know what they're going to do, because it's like not even sure they know what it's going to do some of the time.
They're a newer team, even though they've been at it for a couple of years now, and they said, you know, we've been watching Witch Doctor for so long, and we're just excited to finally get to have a match against you. And that was really neat, because I've been watching their channel and thinking how cool it would be to fight against them. And so, you know, both teams just excited to meet each other.
All the delays on our end meant that we weren't ready to test in the battle box before they closed it for painting overnight. So that was a big miss for us. But we got in this morning and found out that they didn't actually paint it overnight. So we have just 2 hours to get in the box this morning. It's a big second chance, and maybe finally our luck is starting to turn.
You know, we had our own issues this year getting the robots ready in time. So we didn't really have a lot of time to practice driving and stuff like that back home. Kind of got everything shipped at the 11th hour.
It feels good.
We went brushless with our drive this year, but in addition to that, we actually made the robot a little bit faster to try to take advantage of the extra power. So it's got more torque and more speed. So we haven't really had a lot of time to drive it. And of course, driving it at home outside of the parking lot is not really the same as driving it in the battle box.
The issue with the test box is it's so small, it feels great. It's only when you're up at the higher speeds that it starts to get a little loose.
It's good. It's really good.
Oh, just a push-up?
Yeah. And that's all good?
All good.
Sweet.
Ready?
I'm ready.
3, 2, 1.
The robot's looking good. We're feeling good about it. It drives very differently. It's very drifty. It's very fast. We'll see how it goes and how quickly Mike can adapt to that.
Yep.
It's cleaner.
Yeah.
It feels less like sandy.
I agree.
Gritty. Less gritty.
It definitely felt less gritty than I thought it was going to be.
One of the changes that we have for Witch Doctor this year, we knew that the brushless drive was going to give us a lot more power. Therefore, we needed to get more grip. We were already kind of on the limit with the brushed motors. Now with the brushless, we're making so much more power, we need better grip. We worked with different manufacturers trying to find a solution, and what we came up with is the same material we used to use, but a softer version of it. And now we're working through the teething pains of that wheel and seeing if it's good enough for us.
Trying to take the paint off of the wheels. You're ripping around so well that they're now coated in arena floor paint.
And it's really slick. So we don't want that. That looks way better.
It's coming off.
Yeah. Why is their tires wear out so fast? Curtis had coffee.
All right, now we do it all over again with the second robot. I want to have both robots like
Yeah, that makes sense. So we more than that.
lined up. The Pro League schedule is especially tough because we're guaranteed to have 2 fights a day at the start. And 2 fights means we're going to be turning around the robot in just 3 hours.
Which means we've got to have 2 robots ready to go through safety on Friday, ready to rock and roll.
Yeah, everybody's worried about the 2 fights in one day for this tournament, but I know that this team has been able to do 4 fights in one day. So the day after we competed in the finals versus Tantrum, we won our Bounty Hunters fight and then had to do 3 fights in Golden Bowl because we made it all the way to the finals in Golden Bowl. I also remember how painful and scary it was to be able to do that. And I know that this tournament is going to be the best of the best. So I'm hoping that we can pull it off again, but that experience should come in handy. This is Witch Doctor number 2, so we got through safety with Witch Doctor number 1. So we're getting the second one buttoned up. This robot also doesn't have its graphics yet. It's not officially Witch Doctor until it has all of its graphics on.
Top hot today or tomorrow?
Top Hot's for winner.
Oh.
And then if we lose with me, that's
Okay, good. So tomorrow.
I would rather die.
The doctor is in, and she's about to give a lethal injection. Make some noise for Witch Doctor!
Of course, we also wanted to kind of pull out all stops on like aesthetics of the robot this year. So we wanted it to be anodized and, you know, look really good. There was a shift in kind of like the overall aesthetic of the robot. Typically we'd have like the big green wedge and the green rear rail and the green wheels, which we've had for a few seasons, but we were kind of going, this is like our emo goth phase. So like a lot of the parts are black and, you know, it really just kind of like brought like a more of like a menacing look to the robot.
We have Lynx Technic as our top sponsor once again this season. Throughout all the obstacles we've had this season, they really have been the reason that we're here and ready for our first battle. A big thank you to Steve and Lynx Technic for always believing in us. This is Pro League. The robot's going to have a new look. The team should have a new look too. We've all only ever made our jackets once. They were all hand painted by each teammate as they got added to the team, so it was kind of a rite of passage. We have an awesome sponsorship from Digital Warpaint, our friend Graven, who did an amazing job with the graphics on the jacket this year to match the graphics on the robot. So we finally have a whole cohesive look. I think it looks really striking and just really matches the vibe of our team.
Okay, pick 'em up.
Towards the end of the fight, Witch Doctor was smoking. We're still not sure what went wrong. We'll have to talk to the team who went out to the battle box to see.
I wasn't super happy with how it drove. We did have some gremlins in our drive. There was a few moments that I over-rotated, a few moments where the robot may have either didn't react to my inputs or overreacted to my inputs. So it seems like we have a little bit of work to do to kind of try to figure that out.
Yeah, in a few hours it's not much to do. Hopefully it's something quick that we can just fix before it really costs us a win.
We bore ours, so now they do too.
Yeah, I mean, Ribot is a serious looking robot this year. It actually kind of looks a little bit like Witch Doctor in some ways.
Ribot is known for playing games with the configurations. So we designed a special configuration so that no matter how many mind games Ribot tries to play with us, we're running the same one. We have an answer and we won't get it wrong if they trick us.